Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and let's start with the first one, which is *#, 0 *#. And as you can see, now you are in test mode, so you can test all the features. Let's start with display, smoothly click on red. And as you can see, it's working properly. Then green, also fine, blue, it's going properly as well. You can check the receiver here. As we can hear, it's proper. Then you can also check vibration, mega cam, grip sensor, touch, speaker. Let me show you the speaker test. And as you can see, it's working more than fine. Then you can also check sub key, front camera, sensor hub. You can also check black display. To switch off this one, you have to tap on power key, but it's also working properly. And then you can also come along with the version. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily test your phone by entering this secret code. And now it's time for another code, very also short one. It's *#06#. And this one will provide you with both email numbers and also serial number assigned to your device. So this is how you can very quickly come along with truly unique numbers that describes your phone. Click on OK to go back. And another code is *1234#. And as you can see here, you can come along with firmware version. And actually this is all that you can read here. Let me go back. Now we will open service mode, and the code is *0011#. And here we are in service mode, so just click on more icon, and here you can go back obviously, but you can check the key input, select, you can come along with help info, and also check the Wi-Fi. So let's go back. Now we will open advanced service mode, and the code is *26836662, and here should be #662 and pound. And here we are in advanced service mode. Just click on the more icon as well, and here you can come along with everything. So it's all the same. So let me go back, and it's time for another code, which is *02228#. And now you can come along with your battery status, so you can read current voltage, level block, and very useful information over here. So let's go back, and the last code is the advanced firmware version, and the code is *2663#. And as you can see here, you can come along with truly useful information about your firmware, and also you can refresh Wi-Fi version if you want to by tapping on the switcher. And actually this is it. These are all secret codes that you can use in your Samsung Galaxy M30s. Use them as often as you want to, gain some more info, or simply test your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.